Introducing the Lockinox Passcode Protected Series, brought to you proudly by New Trend Outdoor. This innovative lock is fully customizable to the owner's desired passcode, providing maximum security and convenience. With an additional key per lockstyle box, you get an extra layer of accessibility. Our Lockinox Passcode Protected Series integrates smoothly with any modern gate system using the provided hardware. Watch this person install the Lockinox Passcode Protected Series lock. First, he uses a level to center out the provided backing plate. He precisely marks off the mount holes to ensure an accurate installation. Next, he adjusts the alignment position of the bracket, ensuring it's perfectly positioned. Once aligned, he tightens it securely. Using a center punch, he makes indentations at the marked locations. This step helps with accurate drilling. Then he drills pilot holes matching the required mount screw size at the locations. Then this person adjusts the locking pins and roller ball to align with the frame enough to catch and be secure. And there you have it. A perfectly installed Lockinox Passcode Protected Series lock provides both security and convenience. Visit us at newtrendfencing.com. At New Trend, you've always got a friend.